Okay, yet another Pentax lens in my arsenal. This one's a 16 to 50 2.8 zoom. This is their pro level DA Star Series lens. I love this lens whenever I'm shooting in the studio and I need to have the flexibility of a zoom lens, and I know I need to get stellar image quality. I typically use this at about f5.6 to f8 to get the very, very best results. And it's equivalent to your 24 to 70 Canon lens on full frame. This is for a crop sensor camera. If you're interested in a zoom lens for your Pentax system, I highly recommend this as your go-to standard lens.